So our base for burger sauce, okay, good old fashioned mayonnaise. I'll go about just a bit over a cup, okay, and then into that we're going to add, now the thing is I couldn't get onion powder, so I'm going to go half the amount and give some onion salt, because I'd seasoned that anyway, so that will take place rather than adding salt and pepper, if you still hear me. So that we're also going to add, what is it with this pot? About a teaspoon or so of garlic. I'm probably going to get slated for this one, but it's just a take. It isn't exact, you know. I am kind of going, but there we go. And what I'm going to do, we would usually put pickles in, but like I say, I kind of want to drizzle the sauce. Where's everything gone? I want to drizzle the sauce, so I'm not going to use pickles in there, but what I am going to do is, rather than vinegar, I'm going to pickle juice. Okay, that one, and then last but not least, we have mustard. I'm going to go again, about a tablespoon. And whilst that's there, okay, this mince is cooking very nicely. We're going to break it down a little bit more. You can see some of that mince is caramelised. We're going to try and get that caramelised look all over it when it's nice and that kind of deep brown colour. Not burnt, but that lovely colour. You can see that there, kind of here. That's what we're going to go for all over. So let's do it. Let's give the sauce a quick stir. A bit more ketchup, I think. And just taste that. Oh, that's fine. Back in a second. And there's our beautiful burger sauce ready. Now this will keep for a good couple of days, give it a good shake when we need it, and it's ready for anything. But we're going to pour it over something delicious. We get some of our delicious burger sauce, give it a shake up, and then hopefully this will work nicely. Well, it would do if it didn't do that. There you go, there's some of that delicious burger sauce. When it works, oh, I think seem to have got a bit of a blockage there. I think the hole is too small. Let's do something now. And doesn't that look good? There we go, ladies and gents. We have my burger loaded bacon cheeseburger loaded fries. Whatever's on your plate this evening, do enjoy what you eat and eat what you enjoy. And of course, as per usual, leave a comment below. What is on your plates? As usual, don't forget, wherever or whenever you are viewing this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Click links to the right to see some more of my beautiful, delicious recipes. Give that notification bell a ring to be informed of future content. And last but not least, comment below what's on your plates.